外国。那我们今天晚上去看一个外国。So 国 you know means country because you've learned 美国 and 英国 and 中国 all using this character 国. So now we have 外国. What does that mean? 外国. Well, 外 means outside. So 外国 means outside country or foreign country. And 外 is actually the standard word for outside, like it's cold outside. 外面很冷，很冷. This Y is the standard word for outside, but it's used together with this word 国 for country to mean foreign country, 外国. 那我们今天晚上去看一个外国电影怎么样？我请客. So 我 and 请 you should know if this 客 wasn't here, you may be able to sort this out because you just did it last unit or the unit before. But there's a 客 here, and that's new. So just take a quick look at that. Okay. So you've learned 我请你吃饭. Right? Let me invite you out to dinner. But if there's no object after 请, 我请你. See, when you want to say that, after the 请, the way you've learned it up to this point is that there's what you want to do after it, right? 我请你吃饭. 我请你看电影. 我请你 do something. So the structure has been 我请你, right? To do something, eat or go to a movie or do something like that. But here, there's no activity like eating dinner or watching a movie. So in that case, you can't just say 我请, right? 咱们去看电影怎么样？我请. You just can't end it with 我请. So when you're going to say that you're going to invite someone, treat them, pay for it, pay for dinner or whatever, and you're not going to have what you're inviting them to at the end, you just can't leave 请 hanging there by itself. So when that's the case, this 客 is added. 客. And 客 is actually the word for guest. So I invite the guest. Okay? So in this case, if I'm taking you out to dinner, I tell you, oh, let's go to dinner, and then I can end it with saying 我请客. I invite the guest. It means I'm going to pay. And it's a catch-all. 我请客. I invite you. I'm going to pay. And at the end here, it could be a movie. It could be dinner. And if you're going to specifically say that it's a movie or a dinner after here, then you take the 客 out. Okay? So 请客 means to invite someone to dinner, movie, coffee, etc. So now you should understand what Gao Wenzhong is trying to do here. 那我们今天晚上去看一个外国电影怎么样？我请客. So, you know what this means now. Then, let's go see a foreign movie this evening. How about that? It's on me. So, Gao Wenzhong is asking Bai Ying'ai out on a date here. Alright, so, how is she going to react to that? And if you watch the video, it sets some of the context there. But so he's basically asked her out on a date. So let's see how she responds. 为什么你请客? Okay, so all this you should get, and you'll notice we have 请客 here because Bai Ying'ai is focusing on the 请客 and not what the 请客 is for. In her question, it's irrelevant that it's a movie or dinner or coffee or whatever. All that doesn't matter. So it's not here. And because it's not here, we have to have the 课 on the end. 请客。为什么你请客？ So Buying Eye asks, why are you inviting or paying for me? And we have a question mark there now. Okay, so let's move on. So Gao Wenzhong comes back with his answer. 因为昨天你请我吃饭，所以今天我请你看电影。Okay, so here's a new word, 昨天. So you know 今天 means today, and you know 明天 means tomorrow. So 昨天 is yesterday. So Buying Eye asks 你为什么请客? So Gao Wenzhong explains by saying 因为, and you remember 因为, right? 因为昨天你请我吃饭. So let's go a little deeper into this. Okay. 因为昨天你请我吃饭，所以今天我请你看电影. Right? So this 所以, you remember 因为 means because, right? 所以 means, alright, there we go. I had to change that because to so. So 因为 means because. 所以 means so, or therefore. So 因为昨天你请我吃饭，所以今天我请你看电影. So pause and think about this sentence, and then we'll go to the next slide and see the meaning. 因为昨天你请我吃饭，所以今天我请你看电影. Because yesterday you invited me out to dinner, so I'll invite you to a movie today. So Gao Wenzhong is asking Buying Eye out to the movies for a little date. Okay, so I have a feeling that the way Buying Eye responds is a little buzzkill for Gao Wenzhong. Let's take a look. 那, and here's that 那, you know what it means now at the beginning of the sentence. 那你也请王鹏李友好吗? Okay, 那你也请王鹏李友好吗? And 好吗 is used when you want to solicit an opinion after making a suggestion. So here, in this first part of the sentence, Buying Eye makes a suggestion, and then she follows up with 好吗, sort of to say, what do you think of that suggestion? So let's put this into some English. And we come up with, then also invite Wang Peng and Leo. Okay? So the big happy bunch all going to the movies together. I'm not sure that's what Gao Wenzhong had in mind. Let's move on. And you can see by these trailing ellipses, Gao Wenzhong is a little disappointed. 好. You know, some silence and then 好. So that concludes the Understand It video for Unit 10.